In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a pivot chart here in Google Sheets. So I have my example data right here, and from this data, I want to be able to read this data by comparing the sales of each manager by region, and I can do that with a pivot table. And here on my next tab, I've already created a pivot table which is focusing on the sales by region by each manager. So on my row, I've added the region, and on my columns, I have the managers. So even though the pivot table is already a great way to read your data and make comparisons, another great way to read your data is to visualize it, and that's by adding a chart within our pivot table. And what's great about this is that the pivot table and the chart becomes one. Any changes you make on the pivot table will be reflected on your chart. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's select our range right here. Then go to Insert on the menu bar and select Chart. And here is our chart. We have our chart editor on the right where we can make all the changes on our chart right here. Let's just click on it and reposition it right there. So at the bottom, we have in our x-axis, we have our regions. But what I want to do is to actually interchange and have the managers on the x-axis. So I'm going to do that by clicking on the chart, then clicking on this ellipsis right here and select Edit Chart. And again, we have our chart editor on the right. And to switch those rows and columns, we're just going to go to this part right here where it will say Switch Rows and Columns. And there you have it. Now we have a better visualization of our data, and right away you will see which manager has the lowest sales. And this is a great advantage of having the visualization in reading and comparing your data. So again, you can edit everything right here. You can delete this. We can edit the title like so. We can delete this one at the bottom and resize our chart, reposition it. There you have it. That's how to create a pivot chart here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.